Thinking of opening a Lloyds Bank account online in the UK? Let me walk you through the process step by step so you can get set up smoothly. First, head over to the official Lloyds Bank website by typing lloydsbank.com into your browser. Don't worry about the .com. Once you begin the process, you'll automatically be redirected to the UK-specific site, lloydsbank.co.uk. Once you're on the homepage, look for the menu tab and click on it. From there, choose the type of account you want to open, whether it's a current account, savings account, or something else. If you're unsure, a good option to start with is the classic account under current accounts. After selecting the account type, click on the Ready to Apply button, then hit Apply Now, since you're a new customer without any existing Lloyds Bank accounts. You'll be taken to an application form asking for personal information. Fill in the required fields, your first and last name, gender, title, phone number, email address, date of birth, and country of birth. Since you're applying from the UK, select United Kingdom as your country of birth. You'll also be asked whether you're a British citizen. If you are, select Yes. If not, choose your original nationality. After this step, click Continue to move on to the legal and financial details required to set up your account. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, and once you've completed everything, submit the application. And that's it. Your Lloyds Bank account request will be processed, and you'll receive further instructions from the bank. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.